Oh. Don't do it like that, Jake.
What? Looks good already.
Do it how you would normally buzz it. Otherwise, it might be too short. Oh, this is sad.
It looks wicked. Giving him a mohawk.
No. Don't do that, Jake.
Do what?
Don't give him no mohawk.
Let's just start off.
Jaden, are you getting your hair cut?
It's all curly.
No. Don't do that.
Do what?
You might get it too short when you do it like that.
You're covered in hair, bud. He just does it all off.
No. We'll just fix that with scissors or something.
Drop it right there.
He's barely got any hair.
We're going to have to get some of this to my grandma. Oh. Look at all that. With hair, huh?
Uh-huh.
What?
Looks weird, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Oh. It's sad. You need to get the front.
I know. I was going to buzz it.
No, don't do it like that. Do it downwards with the hair.
Quit moving. Dad's going to cut your head off.
Are we going to collect all the hair off the floor?
We're going to mail it to my grandma. So she can compare it. Look at us all punk rock now. Come here. Look at this.
Look at that guy. He doesn't know what you're doing. Oh, Jaden, you're such a good boy. I know you got hair all over you, huh?
What's over here? What are you doing?
I'm filming.
Why are you filming?
'Cause. Why not? Say bye-bye, Jaden. We'll take a picture when it's done. Bye-bye.